Can I host multiple websites on a single VPS? Yes, you can host multiple websites on a single virtual private server, VPS. The process for doing so involves setting up a web server, like Apache or Nginx, installing a database server, like MySQL or PostgreSQL, and configuring each of your sites to use a unique domain or subdomain. Each website will then have its own directory on your server, and the web server will route requests to the appropriate directory based on the domain used in the request. Here is a general step-by-step guide. Set up your VPS. Choose a VPS provider and a plan that suits your needs. Once you have your VPS, ensure that it is running a secure and updated version of your preferred operating system, like Linux. Install a web server. Install a web server application, such as Apache or Nginx. These applications are capable of serving multiple websites from a single server. Install a database server. Install a database application, such as MySQL or PostgreSQL, if your websites need to store dynamic data. Set up DNS records. For each website, you'll need a domain name. You should set up DNS records with your domain registrar to point each domain to your VPS's IP address. Configure virtual hosts. Both Apache and Nginx allow for configuration of virtual hosts, separate configurations for each website. Each virtual host should point to the directory where the corresponding website's files are stored. Deploy your websites. Upload the files for each website to the correct directory on your VPS. Secure your sites. Consider installing SSL certificates for each of your websites to enable HTTPS, increasing the security and trustworthiness of your sites. Remember to consider the performance requirements of each website when choosing your VPS plan. If your websites have high traffic, you may need a VPS with more resources, CPU, RAM, storage, to ensure each site runs smoothly.